Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrainingsystem.com. I'm making this quick video about US dollar index. So let's get started. This is the chart I made this last week on December 31st, 2023. And this is how it was here. And I said we're going to bounce exactly from where we were at the time, or we're going to drop here and then bounce, right? So what happened to this chart is this. So we started to bounce here a little bit, right? We went up into this area, 1026, dropped back, and then right now kind of wobbling around 0926 right there. Monthly high is this. So now, in a few minutes, not few minutes, maybe an hour, 8:30 right now, 7:30. So we have this news coming up, this red news, 8:30 Thursday morning. So we have CPI, right? So now zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.3 and 0.1 to 0.2 and 3.1 to 3.2. So they're expecting from previous, they're expecting a little bit better. Right? So if we come, the news come out a little bit better than what we are expecting, then US dollar will get strong, right? So unemployment claim, you can see that is problematic because they're, 202, now they are expecting that they will be rising to 209. So unemployment claim is, the higher number is bad, right? So like here is actual less than forecast is good for currency, but they are showing higher number. So let's see if forecast is 209. So if we get the number come out higher than 209, then uh, it will be bad for it, right? So let's see. Right now, what they're expecting is mixed, right? But what we are doing here right now, currently is this. So we are at 0926. Now, it's smaller time frame for this US dollar index. Uh, it's okay, forget about that. But we will look into the US dollar weekly charts of USD pairs, right? And then I'll show you that what is possible in US dollar index. So with that information, let's say if it is going to go to the upside, so that will mean that US dollar will get strong, right? So what will happen with USD pairs? If US dollar gets strong, so you can see that the first USD pair is right here. I have USD franc. The chart I made on December 31st is this. It was sitting on support, right? And I said that it's going to be bouncing, and that is what it required, right? If this bounce will happen when USD will get strong, right? So that is, going with my chart, the USD chart that is going to get strong. Now, new to USD, this is the chart. So it was hitting the TL and then dropping, right? And it will drop more if USD will get strong, USD on the right-hand side. So that is also pointing that USD strength, right? Aussie USD, same thing. Is there's no TL or anything, and there's no technical or anything, but it is there, and you can see that the candlestick formation here, that is a reversal candlestick formation. So it was going to the upside, and this is called evening star candlestick formation. We have it on the weekly. That is also showing that USD will get strong, and this price should be dropping. Right. So now USD yen, this is the chart I had made on the 31st. That is going to be bouncing from here, going to the upside, and did. And now we are messing around with 45.07. Now, if USD gets strong, this thing will probably going to go up a little bit more because USD is on the left-hand side. But at the same time, yen also, but don't worry about the yen right now. Then that will make the things create a confusion. So that USD strength will probably definitely will send this one to the upside. USD CAD, let's see, it's supposed to be bouncing from here, and then exactly the same thing it's doing. It's making us up bullish morning star actually, right? Candlestick formation bouncing from the TL, and then we got stuck here at 33.85. We hit that, we drop a little bit. We are in 33.85 is right there as well. And you can see that right now what we are doing is 33.62, right? So 33.62, 33.27 is there, 33.82 is there, and 33.85 is there. So any strength in USD, this will pop to the upside towards 35.65. Now, pound USD and euro USD, with the USD strength, what will happen to them? Euro USD weekly, also you have this, that I had my chart that's going to drop here. So it started to drop. And again, here also it made an evening star candlestick formation, right? And then started to drop. And if you draw like a trend line from top to here, I don't know how it got erased. You can see that it hit the TL, poke into the TL, and then started to drop. So if USD gets stronger, this will continue towards the downside. Pound USD is this. Now, also, I made this chart that is going to drop, but this is TL here, and there's a little room here, right? So we may not fill that room, may not. I think we're not going to go up. So if if the news come out and the USD gets strong, this thing is just going to drop from there without going to touch. I would like to see a touch of this TL, but market will do what it need to do. So maybe it's gonna drop exactly from there because already if you pull the fib from here to here, it touched the 61%. So that might stop it, right? So these are the US dollar index and the charts. So mainly all the charts are showing possible strength coming in the US dollar index. The only thing that I'm worried about is that maybe, let me show you something quickly. Maybe it will get weaker a little bit first and then it will get strong. Why I'm saying that is because my 40-minute chart of US dollar index. Oh, come on, change now. I have 3 brokers open in this computer plus all these charts, Zoom and this and that, and it's a laptop. So it's taking its time in changing. So now look at this 40-minute chart. So it is about to go up, and it started to go up here, and this is where it is now, right? So if I even refresh the chart just to see, make sure that, if it is the right and current chart, this 40-minute chart here, then what it looks like that, you see, this is the same, right? So what it looks like that it went up there and then started to drop, and this probably is wave A. If it is going for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it makes small waves as well. So this is wave A. So this could be wave A. Wave A and then B, A, B, C, B, and then we may come down to 61% for wave C first. Right? 07 something here, 0775, 61%, and then go. So that would be wave A, 1 or A, most likely 1, and then that would be wave 2, and then we go for wave 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So what this news is going to do is very critical, very crucial, and I'll watch these numbers very closely, right? So we are right around this area now, 0893. And with the news come out, I think we're going to drop first and then go to the upside. So that drop will create a weakness in USD. And then we'll get strong. How is going to happen? What kind of news is going to be affecting in this way? Time will tell, right? Or maybe simply it will bounce from here and then go. So watch the index very carefully if you want to pay attention or to those USD pairs, or if you want to take those trades, right? It is very important to watch this one that is going to drop first and then go to the upside, or go to the upside directly from this area. Both things are possible. But, for wave 2, this, so only 50% touch. I think that's not enough. Usually wave 2 comes in with 3 waves, right? So this A, B, and then C, that's what I'm looking at. But let's see. So this is the area. This is the number, very important, 0893. If we start to go to the upside, or let's say for a 20-minute chart, and you have that chart ready, then just, what the heck happened? It's frozen. All right. So, 0893 is somewhere here, right? So we start to stay above and start to go to the upside, then we just went through, what will happen if USD gets stronger. Right, and then look for your entries in those directions. Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD. They will be going down. USD CAD, USD Franc, and USD Yen will be going up. in case of USD index start to go up and start to get strong after the news at 8:30. Right. So just wanted to give a heads up. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading day.